I'm having pancake with bacon. Justin's having French toast with turkey sausage. Sydney's also having pancake with bacon. And Hendrik's having French toast with bacon. On our way towards
you see mirages. Look, looks like
Hoover
water.
Dam.
Doesn't it look like
Where?
water to you, right?
Oh.
Is that, what's that? Those are mirages. Or is that water?
The water?
Sometimes you look in the direction, it looks like water, but it's a mirage. I think that's, what is that? Is that water or is that a mirage?
It has a line pattern there. I don't know what it's
Sometimes it looks like it's kind of weird. It looks like
Feels like we're going towards the lake,
Why does it
right? That's Lake Mead in front of us.
Which is expensive.
You know, I would ride my bike down hills like this. You see how long we've been going downhill? Oh, maybe it's up here, the scenic view. I don't know. Maybe on the way back we come back here. Or maybe not.
This one's on 7.
This one's going to the tour.
Mm-hmm. Look, this champ is running up the. I think that dude got left behind. Look, that dude got left behind. He was running up that mountain. Oh, there's Hoover Dam. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
If you watch a Transformers movie, they had a battle scene in Hoover Dam.
Some people.
Okay.
And not some people.
Hey Hendrik, no climbing. Okay? No. Don't waste my.
Wait, honey, can I get a picture of you looking in there? I don't have any pictures.
Sydney.
Better Justin. There we go. That's the dude right over here.
What's that button for? Oh, it makes a sound. Makes the sound. Oh look, this has a map of the Hoover Dam.
Stretching across the canyon are 6 3.5-inch diameter cables.
Look at that. How
If you follow the cables to the you'll see the lifting mechanism
scary.
crane and supervised cables.
What?
This is the original crane from the building of the dam.
Oh yeah, you could. See,
We're at the Hoover Dam.
say, damn it.
You know,
Hendrik, turn it on. You ready? Yeah.
Closer.
yes.
Just hold steady, right? Okay.
Drop the phone.
Yeah,
Did you see over the edge?
yeah, for sure.
There's an arch over here. Oh, the sun is very.
The next presentation is located across the street at the flagpole.
So those are the power generators over there. That one. Power generators.
Oh wow.
Hey girl.
How about that? This is Lake Mead. This is the water passes through the dam. The-
Exactly.